Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from FoodGravy. In this video, we have the YETI Rambler 26 ounce bottle, which is roughly about 760 ml. This is vacuum insulated and comes with a Chug Cap. It's been a while I upgraded my water bottle. I used the Ketchavon one, a Decathlon one, while traveling. It is pretty good, but I wanted something more insulated, so I got this one from YETI. This is the black color one. They also have other sizes and colors like yellow, blue, pink, etc. I got this from Amazon. I'll share the product link in the description. You can check it out after watching this video if you're interested. I'll remove all the stickers and show you how the product looks overall. One of the best things I like about this water bottle is that it comes with a natural steel base color. You can see the bottom here. We can use this bottle for storing water, coffee, tea, etc. Let it be summer or winter. This one will be really handy to hold the temperature. We have 4 YETI brandings here, here and 2 on the lid, here and here. Inside the YETI bottle, we also got this YETI sticker, this registration card, and also this small, I think, user manual pamphlet. Talking about the Chug Cap, this is an important addition to this water bottle. The handle on the cap is helpful too. We can attach a carabiner as well. We can either prefer to drink it like this easily, or we can also open this completely and drink through the wide mouth, which is good for cleaning the bottle thoroughly as well. This is dishwasher safe too. This is a pretty big bottle for 760 ml, but that it is mainly because of the insulation product inside. YETI recommends us not to use any carbonated beverages inside or store hot boiling content above 85 degrees Celsius or 185 degree Fahrenheit. YETI didn't mention how long the hot or cold drinks inside the bottle last, but we decided to do our own test. The first test is to check whether it is leak proof or not. We have some water inside this bottle and I am going to shake this out to see if the water is getting leaked anywhere. But probably it won't because it is designed in such a secure way. This is pretty much leak proof, I would say. We are going to keep hot water inside the bottle now. It is not recommended to use boiling water inside. Also, it's good to preheat the bottle with normal hot water before we store anything like coffee or tea. We have some hot water inside the bottle now, and this is the temperature right now. We noted down the time and the temperature on this notebook, and we will check the temperature change after 5 hours. Okay, 5 hours are over now and we are going to check the temperature. So these are the temperature changes in 5 hours for the hot water. We have cold water inside the bottle now, and the temperature is I have noted down the time and the temperature for the cold water. We will check this after 5 hours. More than 5 hours are over. And this is the temperature. I have noted down the time and the temperature difference after 5 hours for the cold water. We have ice cubes inside the YETI bottle now. And we will check this after 10 hours to see if they are still ice cubes or turned into water after 10 hours. It's almost 10 hours now, so I'm going to check if the ice cubes are still inside. Yes. Pretty much. I'm sure even after 10 more hours extra, the ice cubes will be still there. Cool. These are just random temperature tests. I'm sure the temperature will be good even after 10 or 15 hours. It may also vary depending on your current location and weather. You can consider these as ballpark numbers. Overall, this is a fantastic water bottle. I love it. This will be really helpful while traveling to keep our drinks hot or cold. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.